Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 LIFE DX 77 kWh with 174 B horsepower. This sleek white SUV is not only electric powered and automatic, but also comes loaded with all the comfort, safety and convenience features you could ever dream of. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking to lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. Not only does this 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 come with a long list of top-of-the-line features, but it also includes an anti-corrosion warranty, energy recuperation, self-driving capabilities and much more. Rest assured that this vehicle has been fully inspected, serviced to manufacturer specifications and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on owning this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit our website blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style and luxury with the 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 LIFE DX 77 kWh today.